Hey, this is Amy from Motif Music Studios, and today I'm here with We Don't Talk About Bruno, and this Disney hit has been arranged by Chrissy Ricker. I was so impressed with this elementary piano arrangement. It fits great underneath the fingers. It captures really the cheeky nuances of this piece without making it too difficult, and I love that the rhythms were really reflective of what was going on in the original. So this is a fantastic arrangement. If you want to head over to musicnotes.com, you can, I'll have that linked up in the video description and in the comments below. You can also check out more of Chrissy's music. She's a new composer to me, but I've heard of her from Piano Pronto Publishing, and I looked at her materials, and she has an incredible wealth of fantastic, engaging, original compositions and arrangements just like this to engage piano students of all ages. So thanks for listening in today. I'll play through this arrangement and then hope that you can start learning it too, or if you're a teacher, that you can start teaching this really fun, engaging Disney